What's up, guys? It's your boy G. I want to introduce my SNAP method to you. Now, you may be asking, G, what is your SNAP method and why should I need to know it? Well, this is my 4-step foolproof process that will help you get from auto mode to shooting in manual mode in a breeze. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so let's think about this in terms of a recipe, right? In order to get the perfect shot, you need 3 ingredients: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Now, if one of those ingredients is not included, or if you don't put in the right mix or the right measure, it's going to throw away the whole shot. So think about it like this, right? The downside of auto mode is you're leaving your camera to decide those ingredients as opposed to you taking control and you being the best cook that you can possibly become by taking control, and you add your spec here and there in order for you to capture the shot that you envisioned. All right, guys, let's talk about N, which represents navigating your light, okay? Now, as a photographer, you have to learn how to see light. You have to learn how to read light, okay? Do not allow your camera to decide how to light your subject. Now, doing so, you have to ask yourself a couple of questions. What is the main light source? What do you have to work with? Is it natural? Is it artificial? Now, what a lot of people fail to realize is your camera has a built-in light meter. So you want to utilize that light meter. Don't leave the exposure up to guessing when you have a built-in light meter. Now, natural light, I always tell people, natural light is the best way to learn how to become a very effective and proficient photographer, because you have to deal with the light the way it is and you don't have any access to changes at that point in time. Now, if you would like to learn artificial lighting, which is also great, you can check out my course on off-camera flash photography. Now, with that being said, remember this as well. Your camera does not have eyes. You have eyes. So once you learn light, you can take the control away from the camera and you can learn how to see light and light your subject properly. So now let's talk about A, which represents adjust, snap, repeat. This is an easy process, guys, and I tell you, I've been doing this for over a decade, 13 years to be exact, and I do this every single time, basically on every single shot. What are you talking about right now, G? So basically what you want to do is you want to adjust your settings to what the light source is and what you think your settings should be. That's the first step. Second step is take a picture. The third step is to look at the picture. If you need to make any changes, if it's too dark, if it's too bright, or whatever it is, you go back, you make those changes, and then you take another photo, boom. And you keep this process, you keep on doing it until you're satisfied or you have captured the exact image that you envision in your head. Now, remember, this is not a perfect process. You will never have a perfect shoot where every shot comes out exactly how you want it to be the very first time. So with that being said, don't beat yourself up, keep on doing it, and let's go to the next step. All right, guys, so my last step in this SNAP method is P, which means practice with purpose. Now, practicing with purpose is very simple. You're not gonna go out there and shoot 1,000 shots and hope that you look up on one. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a day out, you're gonna focus on one skill. Let's say, okay, Monday, you go out there, you focus on aperture. Tuesday, you focus on shutter speed. Wednesday, you focus on ISO. Thursday, you focus on angles. Friday, you focus on lighting conditions, right? Now, don't let the fact that you don't have access to a model stop you. You can use anything. You can use your car, you can use a trash can, you can use a teddy bear, a toy, a box, whatever you have access to. Don't let the fact that you don't have another human being stop you from becoming a better photographer. Now remember, you don't want to go out there and shoot 1,000 shots. You don't want to go out there and be John Wick. You want to shoot with purpose. You want to practice with purpose. Now, look, guys, I'm going to tell you like this. Don't forget, I do this for a living. I teach photography. I'm a photographer at heart. So with that being said, if you get stuck anywhere in this process, reach out to me. Let me help you. You know what I'm saying? Help you help you. Help me help you. You understand what I'm saying? So reach out to me, shoot me a DM, call me, email me, whatever it is. But reach out to me if you need assistance. We can make that happen. We can take you from rookie to master. I ain't gonna say in no time, but in due time, we can make that happen. So with that being said, you be blessed. Holla at your boy.